Hey guys, it's Serene, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build this giant house behind me. Before we get started, I just wanted to say that this build does take 120 placement slots, and that's if you do like all the decorations and stuff as well. And I'll list all the cosmetics I used in the description below. So first, we're gonna build the platform that the whole house is gonna be on. Used 16 large wooden flooring, and I used a medium wood flooring as like a stair up, and then I would place a medium wood flooring underneath all of the large wood floorings before I placed them, just so they were all elevated one off the ground. You can place this build wherever you want. I just decided to like do it this way. I don't know why. Once you're done with that, your foundation should look like this. Next, you're gonna place down 2 flat tents and 4 large wooden arbors. We're gonna move all of these later, but it's kind of just a good reference to have at first, just to like know where we're building. Next, we're gonna take 2 fences and place them right up next to the poles of the tent like this, and then we're gonna place 2 logs on the fences like this. Now we're gonna be placing wooden benches on both sides. You're gonna place it like this and then spin it all the way around. Now you're gonna place another fence like this, and then we're gonna place a log on that fence. Kind of try to place it like how I'm placing this one. I already did the other side, so I'm using that as reference, but kind of like in the corner like this. And then do that on both sides. Now on these flat tents that we placed, we're going to be placing medium wooden flooring, and you're going to want to place it like this and then rotate it. And then we're going to grab one of the tents and line it up with the other one, and then place another medium wood flooring in the middle and rotate it the same way. After that, move the flat tent back, and now we're going to be placing another medium wood flooring on both sides and rotating them at the same angle. Now we're going to be placing 2 more wooden benches the same exact way on either side. Next, you'll want to make sure that these middle large wooden arbors are placed like this. I don't really know how to explain it, but hopefully just showing you helps. Now we can get rid of these ones that we placed on the side, and we're going to be placing fences 5 studs inward like this. And then you'll want to grab 4 logs, and we're gonna place them on the fence like this, and you'll want to make sure that there are 4 studs in between the like front and back too. It should be looking like this when you're done, and then you can get rid of the fences. Now you're gonna put a flat tent in the middle and place medium wood tiles on top of it like this. Now we're gonna take some more medium wood tiles, and you're gonna kind of stack them in a pyramid like this. You're gonna rotate the first one down by 1, and then rotate the rest of them up by 2. It should look like this when you're done, and then we're taking 2 more medium wood tiles and make sure they're slanted on the medium wood tile and not the tent. And then you're gonna rotate them till they're flat. And then we can get rid of this tent, and you're gonna do it on the other side as well. Now we're taking this large wooden arbor and putting it in the middle, and then we're grabbing 5 large wooden flooring, and you'll want to place them like this. They should be covering the logs. And here's what it should look like when it's done. Now we're gonna take 4 large wooden arbors and place them on top like this. I placed these second 2 kind of close. You actually want them to hang off of the platform a little bit. I just adjusted them to make sure they were even, and when you're done, it should look like this. Now you're gonna take 6 small wooden flooring, and I already placed the first 3, but you'll want to place them all like this, and then slant them down by 2. And it should look like this when you do all 6. Now we're gonna take medium wooden flooring, and you'll want to place it like this on both sides. They'll kind of hang off the edge by 1. And then you'll slant them down by 2. Next we're gonna grab 2 more medium wood flooring, and you'll want to put them on the first ones and flip them all the way over like I did. Now we're taking 6 more small wood flooring. I already did the first 3 again, but you're gonna place these like this and then flip them all the way over until they all connect in the middle. It should look like this when you're done. And now we're gonna grab this middle arbor and grab another one. You'll also want to bring the tents back out. We're gonna place a tent on either side like this. And then you're gonna flip all of these flat. So some of them you have to flip all the way over. And this makes it so that we're able to put the large wooden arbor underneath it like flat. It should look like this. Now you can flip all of these back over to the way we had them before. It can be kind of confusing, but just make sure they all align, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And when you're done, it should look like this. Now we're going to take 5 medium wood flooring, place them on top of the tent. It can be kind of hard. You have to place it between the cracks of the arbor. And then we're going to place 3 on the outside around the tent like this and rotate them all in like this. And then you'll do all of this on the other side, and you can get rid of the tent in the middle. Next, I took 2 long wooden tables and placed them up here. And then I took 2 more and placed them in the back like this. Now I'm placing 2 lampposts in the front, and then I'm just building this small little fountain detail in the back. I placed a frog fountain and then a fence behind it. I added 2 water troughs like this, and then I just added some rocks to kind of like make it blend in. The back is ugly, but like I said, we don't care about the back. It's not seen. Now I'm just going in and placing some lamps. For these ones on the sides, you have to like place them slanted and turn them straight. Now I'm taking 2 water troughs and placing them on the wooden arbors like this. And then I'm just placing a bird bath in front of them, and then lower the water trough so that the bottom is like just under it. Next, I'm just placing these Buddha statues. You can place whatever statues you want, or if you want to place something else. Then I just put this log bench in the middle, and now I'm taking 2 more log benches and placing them on the top like this and rotating them so that they're straight. And then I do that on both sides. Next, I'm placing 2 frog fountains on top. I found it's easier if you place them from the back and then just rotate them forwards. Next, I place a torch behind each of the frog fountains just so they kind of like illuminated from behind, I guess. Next, I just decorated with a bunch of plants. And yeah, that's the build. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.